Welcome to Backbone Unlimited. My name is Matt Hartsky, and I founded Backbone Unlimited to help you train harder, hunt smarter, and never settle. For over 34 years, I've been chasing elk, mule deer, and western big game across some of the steepest, toughest country you can find. I've guided hunters, I've solo hunted deep in the backcountry, and I've learned one truth the hard way. The mountain doesn't care how bad you want it. It only rewards preparation. That belief shaped everything I teach. For nearly 30 years, I've also worked as a professional strength conditioning and nutrition coach. I've trained athletes, everyday people, and backcountry hunters to perform when it counts. And what I share isn't theory. It's been tested under heavy packs, on long climbs, in brutal weather, and through the highs and lows that real hunts demand. Backbone Unlimited exists because I wanted to give hunters more than surface level tips or quick fixes. This brand is built on preparation, discipline, and grit because in the backcountry, those things matter way more than luck. Backbone Unlimited is also about helping you build real skill. It's about understanding thermals, reading terrain, stalking quietly, and developing true Western hunting instincts. It's about training with purpose, being ready when the moment comes, and having the mental toughness to endure discomfort, adapt to adversity, and push when it hurts. But it's also about something deeper. A few years ago, I lost my oldest son to suicide. That moment obviously changed my life forever. I realized how many people out there are struggling quietly, carrying things they don't talk about, pushing forward one day at a time. Backbone Unlimited became my way of helping others fight those battles by building a community where hunters push each other forward, hold each other accountable, and remind each other that we don't quit, not in the mountains and not in life. Backbone Unlimited is about choosing the hard way, doing the miles, doing the reps, showing up when other hunters stay home. It's about becoming self-reliant, trusting your decisions, packing your own elk, and being your own solution. It's about respecting the hunt, honoring the animal, caring for the meat, and leaving the mountains better than you found them. It's about legacy, teaching your kids, sharing the mountains with family, passing on values that matter, work ethic, responsibility, resilience, and gratitude. And it's about brotherhood. Team Backbone is a tribe of like-minded hunters who push each other to be sharper, fitter, more prepared, and more disciplined because the right tribe makes you better. Backbone Unlimited is for hunters who refuse to take shortcuts, who don't want handouts, who don't chase easy tags or gimmicks. It's for the ones who believe the honest way is the hard way, the best way. If you want to learn the skills, build the discipline, and sharpen the mindset to hunt at your highest level, this is your place. This is Backbone Unlimited. Thanks for being here. Until next time, train harder, hunt smarter, and never settle.